lot of work on this. We're calling it now the Talos 2 because we've added weight in the front, about 20 more grams. And we've made our fin smaller, much smaller. But the biggest thing is getting rid of those fins up front. And it should be more stable. And now the center of gravity is here, and the center of pressure is about here, based on that program. So we'll see what happens.
It's the T2, sir.
Here you go. Hot damn. I'll be a son of a gun. There goes our wadding. Oh, it's here. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. It is kind of far down. You'll like it. Oh man, it flew great. But I don't know if it's going to stay in the field. I think it's past the field into the trees. You're trying to find it. It's got a good wind. See if it goes in front of those trees. Nope, it's behind them. Oh, it's in the same basic spot, but it's past the stupid field. Oh well, we'll go take a look. Boy, that D really shot it up there though. Success. So Peter, we got it back.
Look, it says 2. We didn't remake it.
Oh
This
my
is
God.
V1 that we launched.
And I cannot believe we got it back. So because when I saw it last, I watched it disappear behind that big tree out of the field. And so what happened?
I chased after it, and it disappeared behind the tree. And then the same place where we lost the mongoose.
Yeah, we drove through the
This
neighborhood.
triangle where we'd expect to lose it, and we drove past it. I kind of saw it in the tree.
I couldn't believe you saw it. We got it back. That's 2 days.
Jumped out.
That's 2 days in a row.
To get in trouble.
That's 2 days in a row. We cheated fate.
Yes.
Awesome.
Got the, Rocket yesterday, and then found this one too.
And now it flies. It flies great. It's our first D engine too.
Yeah.
Oh, it went up there.
It's still in there.
I hope I got a good picture of it in the thing. Thank you. Good job.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there. Good job.
Talos too.
The Talos. It's the T2s. Thanks, Peter.